Getting your garden bed ready for spring is a simple yet gratifying task. When finished, you'll have soil rich in nutrients and teeming with helpful organisms to nurture your plants. Let's go step by step to set your garden up for a thriving season. The first step is to clear out any old vegetation. This means trimming dead plants and pulling out as many weeds as possible. Weeds compete for nutrients and space, so removing them now allows your plants to grow without hindrance. However, don't discard the cut vegetation. Chop it into smaller bits and scatter it evenly across the garden bed. Over time, this organic material will break down, enriching the soil. Be mindful not to disturb plant root systems too much, as their roots house essential microbes that are vital for soil health. Leaving them intact keeps these organisms alive and flourishing. After spreading the chopped material, cover it with a layer of compost or decomposed manure. This will do more than provide nutrients. It brings in microorganisms that accelerate the breakdown of the plant material below. These organisms create a fertile ecosystem in the soil, preparing it to sustain vigorous plant growth. Compost or manure acts as a natural fertilizer, delivering balanced levels of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, which are essential for healthy plants. Next, sprinkle bone meal over the bed. Bone meal is an excellent source of phosphorus and calcium, both critical for plant development. Phosphorus encourages robust root growth, vital for young plants in spring, while calcium strengthens plant cell walls, helping plants stand firm against stresses. Bone meal releases its nutrients slowly, nourishing the soil over time and ensuring sustained plant health. The last layer is mulch. Mulch is indispensable for protecting the soil. For this process, sawdust works well. It shields the soil from harsh sunlight, reducing evaporation and preventing the soil from drying out too quickly. It also insulates the soil during cool nights, keeping temperatures steady. This benefits the beneficial microbes introduced earlier, ensuring they survive and thrive. Additionally, sawdust breaks down gradually, adding more organic matter to the soil over time. It also suppresses weed growth, keeping your garden neat as the season progresses. This process not only readies your bed for planting, but ensures it becomes a vibrant, nutrient-rich environment. By layering plant material, compost, bone meal, and mulch, you're crafting ideal conditions for strong plant growth. Each layer plays a specific role, from breaking down organic material to enriching the soil and shielding it from harsh conditions. When spring arrives, your efforts will pay off. The decomposed plant material improves soil structure, moisture retention, and fertility. Compost and bone meal supply vital nutrients for lush growth, while mulch protects and enriches the bed. When it's time to plant, your garden will be ready to support whatever crops or flowers you wish to grow. If you found this method helpful, share it with fellow gardeners. It's a sustainable and effective approach to ensuring a productive garden. For more gardening tips and insights, be sure to explore our other resources. Stay tuned for new ideas, and don't forget to share this with others.